Hello all, I'm Sahana and I am an AI intern at FaxLab's AI. And today I'm going to talk about the AI platform Kimi K2 AI. Over the next 9 to 10 minutes, we are going to explore why this flagship model from Moonshot AI is making such waves in the industry. So, whether you are a developer, a business leader, or just someone curious about the future of technology, understanding Kimi K2 is necessary. So, we'll be covering everything from its core architecture to its massive 256K context window, its unique agent swarm capabilities, and how it stacks up against giants like ChatGPT and Claude. To start with, let's talk about the origin of Kimi. It is developed by Moonshot AI, a Beijing-based company founded in 2023, and in just a short period of time, they have moved from a niche startup to a global powerhouse. Their latest models, Kimi K2.5 and K2.6, represent the pinnacle of their research. What makes Kimi special is its core philosophy, that is solving complex, high stakes problems with ease. Instead of just being a simple chatbot, it is designed as a high performance engine for coding, deep analysis, and autonomous agent tasks. Technically it uses a mixture of experts or MOE architecture. So imagine a system with like 1 trillion parameters, but instead of using all of them for every single question, which would be slow and expensive, it only activates about 32 billion parameters per request. This makes it incredibly efficient, fast, and cost effective without sacrificing the intelligence of a much larger model. Now, looking at the key features, first up is the context window. While many models struggle with long conversations, Kimi features a massive 256K token window. To put that in perspective, that's double the capacity of ChatGPT 4.0 and even beats out Claude 3.5. This allows you to upload entire code bases, massive legal contracts, or even full length books, and Kimi will remember every single detail from start to finish. But it's not just about the text. Kimi is natively multimodal. This means it wasn't just taught to see images after it learned to read, it was trained on text, images, and video simultaneously from day one. And because of this, it can perform advanced tasks like looking at a UI mockup and immediately writing the code for it, or analyzing a complex video walkthrough to help you debug a software interface autonomously. Moving on to the advanced agentic capabilities, Kimi introduces what they call the agent swarm. This is a game changer for productivity. So, when you give Kimi a complex project, it does not just try to do it all at once, but instead it breaks the task into smaller pieces and deploys up to 100 parallel AI sub agents to work on those pieces at the same time. This can make your work up to 4.5 times faster for tasks like massive web research or batch data processing. It also has a deep research mode. Unlike a standard search that gives you links, Kimi conducts a multi step investigation. It visits multiple sources, cross reference facts, and compiles a professional structured report for you. Combined with its ability to directly analyze PDFs and spreadsheets, it acts more like a team of researchers rather than a single AI assistant. So, how does this actually look in the corporate environment? In software development, Kimi is a lifesaver. It handles long horizon coding, meaning that it can understand how a change in one file affects a 10,000 line repository. It's proficient in languages like Rust, Go, Python, etc., helping with everything from DevOps to performance tuning. For legal teams, it can scan thousands of pages of discovery documents or contracts in minutes to find specific clauses. In data analysis, it can take raw spreadsheets and turn them into actionable business intelligence reports. We're also seeing it used in computer support, where its deep memory allows it to handle complex multi turn conversations without getting confused. So essentially, any department that deals with large amounts of data or complex multi step processes, they can see a massive boost in efficiency using Kimi K2 AI. Now, let's see Kimi K2 in action. So, I have opened the website of Kimi K2, the platform, and over here, I have created a demo white paper sort of thing, which would help me better understand the 256K context window slide. So, I am uploading that thing, and I'm also going to give it a prompt along with the file.
Analyze this document and identify three potential risks for a startup company. Then suggest medication plan for each. So I'm going to give this prompt along with this upload whatever I have given it. As you can see, the blue thing over there is the thinking window. It is calculating everything and it would present me the final output. So as you can see over here, it has really done the work. It has also given me a summary matrix along with everything so that it is easy for me to make calculated decisions along with this. Now for the next portion, I'm going to add a dashboard. To this, I'm going to give a screenshot of the dashboard and ask it to analyze what it means. I would ask it to give me the Python code for it. So this is the dashboard. I would ask it to give me the code for this so that I can run it elsewhere as well. Convert this dashboard into code. So as you can see, it has identified the layout, the icons, and even the color scheme perfectly. And it gives us a ready to use React component within seconds. So as you can see, the dashboard code is here. It's really good. It has also segregated everything like the layout, the sidebar, the brand, everything, along with the brand icon as well.
So, of course, no tool is perfect. So, on the advantage side, the biggest win is the cost effectiveness. Kimi is often 4 to 17 times cheaper than its main competitors, which is huge for companies looking to scale AI. Its long context handling and native multimodality is also a plus point, and the agent swarm feature is truly unique. However, there are limitations to keep in mind. While its English is excellent, top tier English first models might still have a slight edge in extremely subtle linguistic nuances. The ecosystem is also younger, so you might find fewer pre built plugins compared to ChatGPT. Also, because the model is so massive, self hosting it requires significant hardware investment. Finally, while it's a technical powerhouse, some users find its answers to general business strategy questions to be slightly less robust than its technical and coding output. Looking at the pricing, Kimi really disrupts the market in this. So, for individual users, they offer a tiered structure starting with a free plan called Adagio. Their top tier Vivace plan is around $19 a month, which is competitive with ChatGPT Plus, but often includes more advanced research features. But the real story is the API pricing at just 60 cents per million input tokens and $2.5 per million output tokens. It's a fraction of the cost of GPT 5.4 or Claude. They also use an automatic context caching system. If you send the same large document multiple times, Kimi caches it and can reduce your input costs by up to 75%. For a company running millions of queries, these savings add up to a 76% total cost reduction compared to other frontier models. It makes high end AI accessible even for startups on a budget. Looking forward, the potential for Kimi K2 is massive. Moonshot AI is explicitly working forward artificial general intelligence or AGI. We can expect future versions to have even more stable reasoning and better self correction. As the ecosystem grows, we'll see more integrations into standard enterprise models, tools, and IDEs. The evolution of Agent Swarm is particularly exciting because we are moving toward a future where you can give an AI a goal like build me a full stack app and it will coordinate 100 sub agents to handle the front end, back end, database, and testing all at once. By providing these high performance open weight models at such a low cost, Kimi is democratizing access to advanced technology. It's not just a tool for big tech, it's a tool that can empower developers and small businesses all around the world. To wrap things up, it is really powerful, cost effective, and highly capable model that stands out for its 256K window slide, native multimodality, and innovative agentic features. Whether you're looking to save costs on API usage or need a model that can handle massive amounts of data without losing track, Kimi is a compelling choice. I hope the overview has given you a clear understanding of how this tool works. So, hope you like it. Thank you.